Hello, and welcome to Qualitative Research Methods and Analysis. For those of you that don't know me, this is Dr. Jennifer Fogo, and myself, along with Dr. Steve Wiley, will be teaching the course, so you'll be seeing our names throughout. I wanted to take a little time and talk through the schedule a little bit so that to explain some of the assignments and how this course is going to work. For the most part, the first thing that I think is important for you to know is that the lessons will be either 1 week or 2 weeks. I don't think we have any 3 week lessons, but pay attention to those dates so that you know when they stop and start. Lessons will always officially open or start, actually, will officially start on Mondays. However, we will do our best to try to get the lessons open at least the Friday prior to the Monday that it officially opens. Um, Due to the nature of the course and the way that we've got the assignments building on each other and kind of the community that you need to have in this course and working together, it's going to be real difficult to work ahead. So we probably will not, at this point, it's not looking like we're going to open up all the lessons for you to just get things done ahead of time. When we feel like it makes sense to work ahead and we're able to do that, then we will. Um, but just so that you're aware of that. Let's see. The other thing to keep in mind, we have felt that with the qualitative research methods and analysis, that the best way to really learn it is for you to do it. And so what we've done with the major assignment in this class is that we have had small assignments that you'll be doing that will build toward the final qualitative research project. So you'll be collecting data, writing interview questions through that data collection process, analyzing the data, and then writing up a final qualitative research project. So you kind of get the whole experience. But we have it set up so that you build on that along the way. Um, let's see, when you look at the schedule then, in order, when you see that, under the assignment and assessment section, that's this practicing qualitative research. So those are the assignments and those are the components that we will be having you do throughout the lessons in this course that will build on the final project. Some of them will be due and graded, and then others are things that we just expect for you to have done by that time, but you don't necessarily need to turn it in. And as we build those lessons, we hope that that becomes clear in which ones that you're just doing and those that you're turning in to be graded. But I think that really for now, that's probably all I just wanted to share with you. If you have questions, feel free to message either myself again or Steve through the messages in the course. If we feel like there's a time that we might need some synchronous conversation between you all and Steve and I, then we'll set those up. But right now, we don't have any synchronous time built in, with the exception of we have that in the schedule for the final week. But we'll see. If we decide we need it, then we may set that up. But we'll make sure that we set up a time that works for most people in the class. Um, I think that's it for now. The course kind of this week feels like it's a little slow. You just need to introduce yourselves in the forums and review those Nichols articles and then the Ryan Nichols articles in terms of qualitative research, so that we know that you're all kind of on the same page. And then we'll hit the ground running next week with some more information about the three major types of qualitative research, which is what we'll kind of focus on, and writing research questions. So I think that's it for now. I hope that you enjoy the class, and I know Steve and I are looking forward to it. Have a good week. Bye bye.